You know how everyone's talking about AI these days? Well, HubSpot didn't just talk about it. They built specialist AI agents called Breeze agents that actually do work for you. Think of them as AI helpers that can offload manual work of creating content, prospecting, and customer service. Hey everyone, my name is Gabrielle, and I'm the head of sales here at On the Fuse, your elite HubSpot partner. And for the last 8 years, we have helped over 1,000 companies audit, clean up, and optimize HubSpot so they can focus on strategy and growth and make sure they get the maximum ROI from their HubSpot investment. Today, we're diving into what Breeze agents are. By the end of this video, you'll understand the 3 main types of Breeze agents, how they work, and which one might be the best for your business needs. With that, let's jump in. Now, before we get into agents specifically, let's quickly cover what HubSpot Breeze is. Breeze is HubSpot's suite of artificial intelligence or AI tools. Basically, you can think of Breeze as your assistant that lives inside your HubSpot account. It can see everything that's happening across your CRM or hubs, connecting all the dots between notes or a meeting on a client or a deal that you're working, helping you and your team work faster. If you want more information, check out the Breeze overview card by clicking on the screen. So what exactly are Breeze agents? Breeze agents are specialized AI assistants within HubSpot's Breeze AI ecosystem. Unlike general AI tools that can kind of do a bit of everything, these agents are specialists trained to excel at specific HubSpot tasks. HubSpot currently offers 3 powerful agents. The first one is the prospecting agent for finding and qualifying leads, the content agent for creating marketing materials, and the customer agent for enhancing customer support. Each one is designed to handle time-consuming tasks that would otherwise eat up your team's time. Think of them as highly trained team members who specialize in one area and do it exceptionally well. Let's start with the prospecting agent, which might just become your sales team's new best friend. The prospecting agent is designed to find, research, and qualify potential leads for your business. And here's what it can do. First, it can help you identify potential leads based on your ideal customer profile. Research companies and decision makers to match your criteria, prioritize prospects based on the likelihood to convert, generate personalized outreach suggestions to tailor each prospect, and automate initial contact sequences. Here's a quick example of how it works in practice. When you enroll a contact, the prospect agent will research them and then generate personalized emails for you to reach out to your prospect. You can also review each email before sending it. Here is an awesome example of what an agent crafted for our contact here, John Lemon. Now, you can also examine the research evidence to see what information our agent used and how to tailor these emails for this specific person. So you can see here that the agent, it bases its research on your CRM data, company records, and even previous interactions with your prospect. Once you're satisfied with this, simply click the Start Outreach to begin contacting your prospect. And the best part is the more you use it, the better it gets at actually understanding exactly what kind of prospects convert best for your specific business. Next up is the content agent, your marketing team's new creative partner. The content agent specializes in creating, optimizing, and managing content across your different marketing channels. And here's what makes it special. First is content creation, automatically creating blog posts, social media content, and email campaigns. SEO optimization, optimizing content for SEO with best practices. Voice adaptation adapts your brand voice and style to maintain consistency. Idea generation suggests content ideas based on market trends and your audience engagement. Content repurposing repurposes existing content for different platforms. And now let me show you how this works in real life. So let's say you need a blog post for the release of a new service. You can brief the content agent on the key topics, goals, and the main points of your blog. You'll need to provide the keywords for SEO, your target audience by country, industry, other details, and more. The content agent will then offer some multiple title options based on search volume and ranking difficulty. Simply select the one with the best score, add any final details, and it will generate your blog post for you just like that. Think about how long that would take your marketing team to create all of that from scratch. The content agent doesn't replace your creative people. It gives them a head start so they can focus on making the content absolutely exceptional rather than having to start from a blank page. Last but definitely not least is the customer agent, and it is here to revolutionize your customer service. The customer agent focuses on delivering exceptional customer support at scale. And here's what it brings to the table. First is automated answering. It provides instant responses to common customer questions. Ticket handling handles routing to support tickets automatically. Smart escalation escalates complex issues to human team members with relevant context. Sentiment analysis analyzes customer sentiment and feedback patterns. And personalized follow-ups. This creates personalized follow-ups based on customer history. And here's how it works. When a customer submits a question through our website, the customer agent immediately identifies the nature of the request. It pulls up relevant information and provides an accurate response based on our entire knowledge base. In this example, you can see the agent is responding to queries about our admin service. And as you can see, it seamlessly directs our customer exactly to the right location. What does this mean for your business, though? It means faster response times, 24/7 support coverage, and human agents who can focus on complex issues instead of answering day-to-day basic FAQs repeatedly. Your customers get better service, and your team avoids burnout. Now that you understand what each agent does, here are practical ways to implement them in your business. So the best approach that we recommend is to start with one agent that addresses your biggest pain point. If lead generation is your challenge, then start with the prospecting agent. If content creation is bottlenecking your marketing, begin with the content agent. Or if customer support is overwhelming your team, I would recommend implementing the customer agent first. Great thing is, setting up these agents within HubSpot is super straightforward. What you'll need is a professional HubSpot subscription or hire for access to Breeze agents. You'll need clear documentation of your current processes and a designated team member to train and oversee these agents. HubSpot's Breeze agents represent a major leap forward in what AI can do for busy teams of small and medium-sized businesses. So, which of these three agents would make the biggest impact on your business right now? We would love to know in the comments below. If you're overwhelmed by this AI revolution, or you just simply don't know what you don't know and need a little bit of help with HubSpot, then book a free consultation today. We have helped over 1,000 companies audit, clean up, and optimize HubSpot so they can get the maximum ROI from their HubSpot investment. Now, if you do want an expert to review your setup and then share exactly how other companies have optimized HubSpot, use the link in the description to book a free consultation today. If you want to master HubSpot's full suite of AI tools, make sure to check out our other in-depth tutorials on what they are, how to implement them in your businesses so you can start using AI today.